Why do they call them hidden decks? Why do they call them secret decks? People are like, well, they're not hidden, they're just right there. Well, the reason we call them hidden or secret is because they don't generally appear on the ship maps as a area that guests can go to. And part of the reason for that is that in times of high winds, they have to close down those decks. And so they don't advertise it because it's frequently and often not available. But it often is. And so it just depends on the kind of weather that you have. And so rather than deny people something intermittently, it's just kind of a secret that's maybe not super well kept because I'm out to tell the world because they're fantastic. So maybe you want a little romantic time with your sweetie, or you just need a break from the crowds, or you just want a view where you're not having to look over the shoulders of 20 other people. Whatever it is, maybe you're just sick of them playing music everywhere all the time and you just want a quiet place to go to. Maybe you don't have a balcony, or your balcony is being used by your other cabin mates and you just need some time alone. Then it's lovely. And so that is, to me, I think, the glory of hidden decks. Like, you can go to a hidden deck to get away from people, and if you've got your phone and you've got chat, it's not like you're ignoring people or you're hiding. The deck is hidden. By being there, you're not. You can still receive messages. Someone say, hey, what's up? What are you doing? Oh, I'm on the hidden deck. I'm on deck 7 forward. What's up? You come hang out with me, or what do you want to go do? Whatever. So that's quick question and answer there about hidden decks.